Hey there. So since I went through the trouble of showing the physical setup, and I'm pretty sure y'all had trouble following it because I didn't really pace myself very well, I'm at least going to go through the trouble of explaining the software side. This also gives me a good opportunity to test the capabilities of the audio setup y'all saw that I was going to set up. And I noticed while recording a previous version of this that I heard some staticky related stuff, but that may be just something else. It sounded like on the video I recorded it wasn't there. In any case, this is the software I use. This big black area is actually where I see whatever it is that I'm capturing, and I've turned preview off because if I turn it on, well, it's pretty trippy. 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 But the audio, the audio, the audio. Okay, enough of that. What I was saying is, since the entire system goes to the one device, and the one device comes back to this same computer via USB. This means that I can record myself, recording myself, recording myself, recording myself. Trippy, huh? Now, as it is right now, I guess I've set this thing to overscan. What I'd usually do is when you click the capture button, it takes it about 3 seconds before it actually starts, so you could just fire up a game and be in the game once that 3 seconds is up. Now, I'm sure when I got into the game, you noticed the flickering. I think that flickering is actually the VGA to composite adapter. Actually, I'm pretty sure it is. And right now, this recording ought to be kind of interesting because I've got it set to overscan, which means there won't be a black border. Oh well. That game's fun to play, but maybe not as fun to watch if I'm just goofing off, right? So, you know, I'm not noticing the static as much recording this time, so I'm wondering if that was maybe an artifact of the headphones, actually? Because I didn't notice it on the TV, but it might be hard to notice on TV. And I heard static when I was watching my previous video, but not when I was playing it on my Mac, which is a completely different computer. So it's either that or it's the KVM. I'm not really sure. But this video ought to be another good test, and since I actually know the kind of stuff I'm doing, I can probably do it all a bit faster. Why did he have to cry? when you just can't kill them and you want to. Okay.
Lewis! Fire in the hole!
Why am I doing that?
Which?
Quite a capable, like Golem. Huh. It seems kind of loud. I wonder if the voice recording is loud when the computer is. Fun stuff. Huh. Oh, and I guess for Left 4 Dead, I probably want to turn overscan off, don't I? Yeah, I probably do. What was the other thing I did? I probably played some music. Don't notice the static as much, so maybe it's the headphones that are doing it. That would make sense. In any case, the only other thing I covered in the other video was I talked about the one thing still missing from this setup, and the packages I mentioned earlier that are going to be arriving tomorrow or the day after are to solve that problem. See, this computer suffers from a problem of only having like 5 gigabytes of extra disk space total. And I guess even though this device captures directly into H.264 encoded video, there's not a whole lot of you know, the files shouldn't grow super large, but even my previous video should have been pretty big. 188 megabytes for 10 minutes. So if I play, let's say that's like 200 megabytes for 10 minutes. If I played for an hour, that'd be a gigabyte. So I guess I could record myself playing through the Left 4 Dead 2 demo pretty easily. And then I would just need Virtual Dub in order to cut out the parts I want, or maybe I'll find some other editor that's really good for that. What is it? Is Movie Maker really popular? Don't know what that's like, so I should probably try and explore. But anyways, there's still disk space problems for long-term storage, because that one-hour game is fine, but if I do a whole lot of stuff, like if it takes us a total of 15 hours to play through New Super Mario Bros. Wii, there's no way I can record all of that and show you all the snippets that are really cool, or do a Let's Play video for a game that's really long. And my Mac doesn't have a whole lot of space either, so I really need another computer. It also helps because that means I could start and record this thing on that second computer while playing the games on this one. So that's basically what the package arriving is. It's the parts I need in order to get another computer up and working. If y'all have noticed in the videos, there are already a total of 3 computers underneath my desk, but the other 2 aren't working anymore. And if I'm going to go out of the way to buy stuff to make a computer work, then I'm really going to make it work. So that'll be pretty cool for me. I don't know if that's going to be as awesome as the anime DVD videos, but oh well. What can I say? Maybe I'm an attention whore. Maybe I just have to compulsively record everything and post it on YouTube for no fucking reason. In any case, that's everything. I should probably finish by doing one last little thing. Row, 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 your boat gently down the stream, Mary, 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 life, 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 your boat gently down the stream, life, 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 life. Okay, until next